Hey everyone, welcome back. Rebecca Jean with Style My Sweets. Today I am excited to bring you guys some really classic, neutral Christmas DIY decor ideas using mostly items from the Dollar Tree. They will be super easy to customize if you want to make them more of a traditional Christmas or a winter wonderland Christmas, or even something of a rustic glam. Totally customizable. There's just something I really love about just that classic wintry Christmas DIY decor, and that's some of my favorites to make. Let me know if you've decided how you're going to be decorating for Christmas this year and which one of these ideas is your favorite. I love hearing from you. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Let's go ahead and get started.
For this neutral glam winter wonderland wreath, I'm starting with a wreath frame from Dollar Tree, and we're just going to completely wrap one of those Dollar Tree garlands around it. I believe these are like 15 feet long or so. You'll need probably 2 garlands to cover this frame and make it really full. And then I kind of fell in love with these icy minty green glitter Christmas florals. They are such a neutral icy pastel baby green, and I think they're so perfect for winter. So I think these are new at Dollar Tree this year. Let me know if you've seen them before. I might be wrong, but this is the first time I've seen them, and I think they're really perfect for any of your winter wonderland decor or DIYs. All I did was cut up a few of these and separate all of the individual branches and picks. And now I used a little hot glue to attach them onto the wreath, gluing them on, and I arranged them so that they are all kind of going the same direction all the way around the wreath, whether you want to go clockwise or counterclockwise. And then you can kind of angle them so that like one face is a little bit more into the center and then one face is a little bit more toward the outside. And then just go like that all the way around. For a gorgeous matching bow, there's multiple options. I tried out this green and white deco mesh. Honestly, this just wasn't working. I didn't like the look. It wasn't working for me. So what I ended up using was some silver glitter ribbon along with some white deco mesh. I love how glittery and sparkly this one is. I mean, I say glitter, it's more like iridescent, sparkly. And the deco mesh is so fun too. So it's really easy to work with in a way because it just like kind of sticks to itself and it's puffy and fun and it just looks so full for very little work to make like a fun fluffy bow. Now to make my bow, I overlap the ribbon back and forth, making big folds, and then gather it up tight in the center, and I just tie that off with some wire. The deco mesh curls, they stick to themselves anyway, so it's actually pretty easy to fluff it up, and it just looks super fun and whimsical in a holiday wreath. I also made a couple of folds of a burlap and lace ribbon. I had some of this one from Dollar Tree as well, folded that back and forth, and I gather it up in the center and tie that right into the wreath as well. I love the mix of rustic burlap, elegant lace, sparkly winter deco mesh, and glam glitter ribbon all together for a winter wonderland wreath. I also decided to add in a little silver star tree topper ornament here, just as like a little accent ornament piece, along with adding some bunches of silver berries. I took these off of one bunch from a Dollar Tree Christmas pick, and here is how the whole thing turned out. I'm planning to give this one to my mother-in-law for her kitchen since it matches her winter decor so well. We just decorated for her with kind of a wintry flocked snowy theme in her kitchen and a tree in the living room with a pink and purple theme actually on that tree she wanted to try. So it is a flocked tree with pink and purple. If you're curious and you want to check it out, I will have that video linked up top here and down below as well. I actually shared that on my vlog channel or lifestyle channel, Rebecca Jean. The next DIY is a super duper easy winter wonderland ornament with a little sparkle and glam. I'm taking one of these shiny little pom-pom keychain accessories and cutting into it in order to get a piece of the tinsel part off. Basically, there's like a little ball inside that's too large to fit down inside our ornament. Shove that piece of tinsel down inside the ornament, and that's it. Put the top back on and you're good to go. Here's how this one turned out, and I think it's really cute again for winter wonderland or like any snowy sparkly themed decor. Probably fit in with some glam decor. For the next one, I'm using a bit of our floor shine polish, and this dries clear. I'm gonna coat the inside of this ornament with it, but you could probably use any clear adhesive that you have down inside the ornament. Basically, you just want to cover the inside of this plastic ornament and then sprinkle some glitter down inside and roll that all around to spread out the glitter. This sparkly glitter from Dollar Tree is kind of chunky, but I think that the texture looks pretty cool. And now we can go ahead and decorate the top. So I popped my little top back onto the ornament. I wanted a glam pink theme for this one, and I actually found both of these sets of bows in Walmart, where you get 6 of each of them for $1.98. So not a bad price for something really unique to accent some of your accessories for ornaments and things like that. So I'm going to wrap some greenery around the top of the ornament, add a silver glitter floral piece, glue on the bow, and then if you really want to take it an extra step, you can even add like a little gem in the center of the bow if you want. I think this one looks so gorgeous and glam and feminine. The next one was kind of an experiment for me. So I wanted to do something with black, white, and gold that I could use in my leopard tree. I'm doing a leopard Christmas tree in my bedroom this year. But anyway, wait till you see how this one turned out. It did not turn out how I wanted, but I absolutely love it. So I'm going to share it with you guys. So I squeezed some white acrylic paint in like 4 lines down inside this ornament, and I just tried to spread it from the top, like going all the way down the side of the ornament on the inside to the bottom. And then I squeezed in some gold acrylic paint. I also had, these are both from Walmart, and I squeezed that in lines down the inside in between the white. And then I squeezed in some of this black acrylic paint alongside of the gold. Now, the black one is actually from Dollar Tree, and it's thicker than the 2 acrylic ones from Walmart. So I'll explain that in a minute. But now what we're going to do is just kind of roll the ornament and swirl it around, try to swirl or spread the paint on the inside. So I thought that I was going to do something with thick stripes and spots this way and make it, I don't know, like more distinct lines, I guess. And I rolled it, just trying to kind of get the inside covered in between the spaces. But the more that I rolled it around trying to cover the entire inside, the more I realized that this is the perfect combo for a really beautiful marble ornament. I think I might try to recreate my original intention in an upcoming video. I'm going to do some leopard Christmas DIYs coming soon, and I will share my tree with you guys over on my other channel as well, where we'll decorate and all that. On Rebecca Jean, we're gonna decorate a leopard tree in my bedroom. This is the first time I'm really excited to try decorating something really strange and new and creative for Christmas. But for now, I am absolutely so happy with how beautiful this marbled ornament turned out for just about $1. I think it looks amazing, and it looks so classy, so expensive, and so high-end. I feel like this looks like it could easily cost way more than it did to make. Next, we are going to do a classic candle centerpiece DIY, taking one of these plastic trays from Dollar Tree and 3 glass votive cups, or their little glass votive holders. I love the shape of these, and now this is optional, but I used a little bit of glue to keep mine in place, and I just glued them onto the tray. And then I filled in around the votive holders with these cream-colored mums and some gold berries. I used some of the green leaves from the flowers as well, and I glued everything in place. You can also pop in a few of the mini ornaments from Dollar Tree if you want to. They have like gold, silver, red ones. I'm going to do gold. You can also add in some glitter branches if you want. I cut shorter pieces of these, and then I kind of tucked them in under the florals and bent them so that they would wrap around the glasses. And I can't wait to use this on my coffee table in the living room with my favorite LED flameless timer tea light candles. They are so realistic, and I can just leave them out without worrying about the kids or anything like that getting into the candles. So I'm going to actually have them linked below if you're curious and you want to check out these candles. I'm also going to give away a set of these tea light candles. They are so perfect for the holidays.
So in order to enter the giveaway, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, Style My Sweets. Give this video a thumbs up, and then comment and let me know if you guys would rather win a set of the 3 pillar candles that come in a small, medium, and large, or if you would rather win a set of the tea light candles. They are battery operated, flickering, flameless. They're very realistic candles. I love these LED candles. I use them all around the house. plus you guys always see me share these in a lot of my DIY videos, and I've been giving away sets of them both here on Style My Sweets and then also on my other channel, Rebecca Jean. Most of my videos lately have had giveaways in them. So anyway, I've also got some gift card giveaways, I believe, coming up over on my other channel on Rebecca Jean. So stay tuned, and there will be more giveaways to come. So anyway, for the candles, let me know if you'd rather get the pillar candles or the tea light candles, and I will go ahead and pick a winner at the end of November. Comment and let me know which one of these DIYs was your favorite. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for being here and for watching and supporting my channel. It means so much to me. Make sure you are subscribed and click the little bell so that you won't miss anything new. I will have more Christmas DIY decor coming soon. I wish you a beautiful and blessed day, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye.